In this guide, you'll learn a simple Android customization trick that lets you add a flashlight shortcut directly to your lock screen in 2026. This setup improves quick access and makes your phone more useful in low light or emergency situations. Take your Android device and go to the home screen. Now find an empty space on the screen and long press it. This will open the customization or pop-up menu depending on your device interface. From the available options, tap on Wallpaper and Style or a similar personalization option. This will take you to the lock screen and home screen customization settings. Next, select the lock screen section to edit its layout and shortcuts. Inside the lock screen customization menu, scroll down until you see the shortcut area. Most Android devices allow you to place 2 shortcut icons on the lock screen. These are usually set to default apps like camera or phone. Now tap on any existing shortcut icon that you want to change. A list of available apps and tools will appear. From this list, locate and select the flashlight option. Once selected, it will replace the previous shortcut instantly. After making the change, tap on the Save, Done or Apply button located at the top of the screen. Your settings will now be updated successfully. Now you can easily access the flashlight directly from your lock screen without unlocking your phone, making it faster and more convenient in emergency situations or low-light environments. Done. Your lock screen now has a flashlight shortcut. Stay tuned for more Android tips and tricks.